I've tried a lot of hair removal methods, but never a roll-on wax. This is the Parissa Organic Roll-On Sugar Wax, and it's supposed to give you perfect, thin layers of wax every single time. It actually comes with 2 different sized rollers, a smaller one for the face and a larger one for the body. First, I have to go heat up the wax in the microwave for 20 seconds. I want to start off with my legs first, so let's attach the larger roller, and then I have to let it sit upside down for 20 seconds. Just to make sure that wax actually comes out of this thing, I'm just gonna like roll it a little on my hand and see what happens. Oh my god, it is coming out. Look at that! It's like a perfect little rectangle. It's not the best. I feel like I'm still seeing a bunch of like little hairs left over. I also feel like I'm going through these strips really quickly, which if you've ever used like a sugaring paste, all you need is that and you kind of just work that into the skin with your hands. I just ran out of all the strips that came with the wax roller, but I bought some backups. This is an exhausting process. No wonder I don't wax myself. The box says mess-free salon results, but I feel like I'm getting this stuff everywhere. I'm like completely sticky at this point. I don't think that went great, but let's see if it works any better when I try to wax my mustache. I swear nothing happened. I don't see anything. Let's try that again. I just washed my face. I washed everything off of my face. There's no oil, there's no moisturizer, there's no nothing on my face right now. I just cleaned it and it's dry. So I don't know why is nothing happening? I feel like I started off really liking this product because it was so easy to create those perfect wax layers, but the longer you use it, obviously the wax cools more and more, and it all just gets congealed on the roller and makes it so difficult for you to get any sort of even layer. This could work for you if you had finer, thinner hair than I do, because my hair is obviously thicker and more coarse, and it just left a lot of stuff behind. So I think with that, plus all of the sticky mess that I was left with and all the strips that I actually had to use, I don't really think this is worth it, and there are definitely more effective hair removal methods you should be trying.